In a new development, the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies (NIPSS) says that with Dangote Refinery and others coming on board, Nigerians should expect a crash in the price of premium motor spirit, better known as petrol. The product was sold for less than 200 naira per litre before the removal. It currently sells for around 930 naira per litre, depending on the area. However, the Director General of NIPSS, Oshiomhole, while the removal of fuel subsidy by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration has led to a hike in the cost of the essential item, better days are ahead for the country. President Tinubu's actions ended a long-running arrangement to support fuel prices. For years, the federal government swapped crude for gasoline that it then subsidizes for its domestic market, causing a huge drain on revenue, foreign exchange, and contributing to ballooning debts. Tinubu had vowed on the campaign trail to remove the costly help, and during his inauguration he declared that the fuel subsidy is gone. The uncertainty and sudden change caused panic among many in the country, leading to a spike in the cost of the product. For the NIPSS DG, though the removal was timely as Nigeria was on the verge of collapse, he said, "For us at the National Institute, we commend the President for the removal of the fuel subsidy, even though the Nigerian polity may feel it is harsh, that we needed some more time." While this new development has sparked reactions online, we will continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.